This is my second January box with Latest in Beauty. Let's see what products I've picked for this one. Hi there guys, and welcome back to my channel, or just welcome if you are new here. Today's video I have this. This is going to be my second unboxing for January for Latest in Beauty. So as you may be aware, I missed my December unboxing, and because when you pay monthly for this, if you don't pick your products in your box, it rolls over continuously. So because I missed my December's unboxing, because I didn't have enough products that I wanted to make up my 6 products, I had a look at the beginning of January and yes, found the 6 products I wanted. So now it's time to actually pick my January box. Here it is. So yeah, it's technically 2 boxes in January. So let's get in here to see what my choices have been. I'm trying to remember how much is this. Let me just have a quick look. My brain has decided just to not play the game. Yes, so this box cost $14.95 per month and $3.95 for postage. After 3 months has gone by, the postage does become free. I'll leave a link for this down below in the information box and the comment box for you. Give it a click, it'll get you 20% off your first box. And yes, this is different compared to other beauty boxes. You actually get to pick from a range of products that they set out what 6 products you want in your box. There is a quick sneaky peek for you, but let's get on in here and see exactly what I've chosen. First product I've chosen for my second box is this. This is by the brand Sukin and it is a brightening radiance gel cleanser. I love this brand. It is a very nice brand indeed. I've tried a few products from them now and they've been absolutely gorgeous. Oh my god, that smells so good. That smells really refreshing. Oh, nearly dropped it there. I love skin brightening products. I have pigmentation and I find that brightening products really can help. And yeah, can't really get that on my face. The second product I have chosen is this. So this is by the brand Shaken Up Cosmetics and it's Set and Tone. So this is a 3-in-1 facial spray. Prime your skin, set your makeup, reduce shine. So that sounds amazing to me. When it comes to setting sprays and stuff, I like a matte setting spray. I'm not into the whole shiny look because I've got combination skin basically, and my skin can come across very shiny. It's like it's towards the end of the day now and look how shiny all over my face is. So yes, that's what we try and avoid at the beginning of the day, and anyway what happens throughout the day happens. So yeah, really interested in trying that out. Let's see what the mist is like. Really nice and fine. Very fine mist. Smells pleasant, barely there smell to be honest. Feels really refreshing on the skin, and what I like about this has aloe vera and has niacinamide, and it's 100ml as well, so really decent size. Just to pop this in here, I was doing my little cleanup after the video and I've noticed for the Set and Done spray, the 3-in-1 facial spray, there's a leaflet and on here it says Shaken Up Cosmetics, next generation men's skincare and cosmetics. So this is men's. Well, I suppose it doesn't care who's it for really at the end of the day. It's setting spray. You prime your skin, set your makeup and reduce shine. Men or women, but specifically it says on here this is for men. Leaflet there, some of the products that they do. Pictures of the men using them, and then there's a man using the spray there, look. Oh, I had no idea I picked up a man's product, but it's going on my face just like it would a man's face, and it smells quite nice, so oh well. The third product I have chosen is this. This is by the brand Me Cosmetics and it's an amplifying lash lover for eyes larger than life. Oh, just dropped that in my lap. And yeah, it's just a mascara, a typical tube as you can see with silver riding on. Now the brush, what is the brush like? Oh yes, that is the type of brush that I go for. We do like a plastic bristle brush. That looks like it's going to grab onto my lashes. Lovely. Oh, that feels nice and soft. Yeah, cool. I saw it, there was a mascara there, and I love trying out mascaras, so that for me that was a no-brainer. Next 3 products I have chosen are all by the same brand, which is Clean Organics. So the first one we'll show you this one. This is the Advanced Retinol Moisturizer Age Defying Solution. Yes, I need an age defying solution. My skin it's so, oh, I think it's dry more than anything, but it makes it look really wrinkly, and I have actually got wrinkles by my eyes that I want to get rid of. So yeah, enriched with hyaluronic acid, vitamin E, green tea and jojoba oil. Yeah, cool. Like I said, I will try anything. It just says press the pump, slide the finger over the pump and apply a measured amount over all the face and neck. Can be used morning and night. This is what it looks like. We just take that off. So when it says press the button, it's this is what you press. I'm not going to fully press it because I want this to stay nice and sealed, but I can't wait to try this out. Never heard of this brand before, and decided to pick 3 things up from it, but you know, fingers crossed it's good. As I say, I'll try anything that's for anti-aging. Next we will look at this one. This one is a professional age defying vitamin C serum. Love vitamin C, absolutely adore it. Again, I have pigmentation on my face. Vitamin C is really good for pigmentation. Well, I've actually got melasma, but you know, it also can be good for that. This is what it looks like. Very nice packaging, very nice. Oh, take the lid off, and then we have a pump there. Yeah, cool. So this just says infuse the skin with fast penetrating lightweight repairing serum for a glowing youthful skin. Please, all the youth, I want all the youth. Third product is this here. So this one is a firming eye cream. It says that it says it visibly reduces crow's feet, dark circles, signs of fatigue, puffiness, wrinkles. Eyes look fresh, radiant and wide awake. Yes, please. Yes, I want it. Oh, that's really cool. Look at that. That is what that looks like. That looks well posh. Take the lid off. So yeah, you just squeeze that. The product comes out here, and then you can just... Oh, yes. I'm excited just looking at it. So yeah, that looks cool. Right guys, so this is my second January latest in beauty box. What do you think? Personally, I am really loving my second January box. I love my first January box as well. So really glad that I didn't end up getting the December box, because I've really scored in January with the 2 boxes. Really hoping that these 3 products here are good. I know nothing about the brand at all. If you do, comment down below and let me know, because I'm literally sitting here clueless. I'm hoping this brand and these products are good, because as I say, 3 of my choices out of my box are by this brand. But yeah, really impressed with the packaging. Looks well nifty. But yeah, over the moon with everything that I've picked. But that concludes this video. So if you have not already, hit that subscribe button, smash that thumbs up button, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.